For casual international jaunts or full-blown assaults on Denali, you'll need a solid duffel to safely transport your precious cargo. They're at the start of every expedition documentary. Explorers in a conga line, chucking bulging bags loaded with ropes, food, and tents into the back of a seaplane or weathered Land Rover. You see them piled on docks in airports, or swaying back and forth on pack mules as they wend their way to base camp. Duffel bags are the storage backbone of any long adventure. There are many duffel bags to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best duffel bag from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Peak Design Travel Duffel Bag. Peak Design's Travel Duffel Bag is a versatile carry-on size bag with a 35-old capacity, perfect for weekend getaways, overnight stays, gym visits, or as a companion to larger travel bag. Crafted with a weatherproof 100 recycled 600 nylon canvas shell and a high-visibility gray interior. This duffel ensures durability and easy organization. Its removable padded top handles and shoulder strap, along with adjustable backpack-style carry options, provide multiple comfortable carrying methods. With its lifetime warranty guarantee, the Peak Design Travel Duffel Bag is a reliable investment for all your travel and daily needs. Number 2. Wowbox Duffel Bag for Men/Women. Wowbox Duffel Bag for Men/Women is a versatile travel companion featuring a waterproof shoe compartment to fit shoes up to size 9 and separate dirty, wet clothes from clean items, located in the zipped side pocket with a smart design for quick and easy access, along with a leather loop to connect toiletry bags or keychains. This canvas travel duffel bag includes a built-in genuine leather luggage tag with a transparent see-through window for easy identification. The detachable, adjustable shoulder strap made of sturdy heavy-duty canvas, durable hardware hook, and genuine leather reinforcement, along with an adjustable thick and broad cushioned pad with breathable fabric covering, ensures comfortable, pain-free, and fatigue-free carrying. Additionally, a side canvas strap with leather attachment provides convenient lifting and carrying. With a spacious 40L main compartment for 2 3-day trips, 2 front pockets with double protection zipper closure, and real leather flip-over cover with magnetic clasps to secure last-minute items. This men's overnight bag offers ample organization and security for your travel essentials. Number 3. Offlim Duffel Bag. Offlim Duffel Bag, the perfect weekender bag, is a large-sized duffel that can accommodate several days' worth of daily essentials, including clothes, shoes, tumblers, and electronic devices, with a main compartment featuring an inner zipper pocket and 2 large outer pockets for your smartphone or passport. Flight-friendly and designed to meet carry-on luggage regulations, you can travel worry-free without fear of losing your bag. The backside sleeve allows you to slide it over rolling suitcase luggage. Roller bag handles, while a side shoe compartment separates your shoes from other items. Additionally, it comes with a complimentary toiletry makeup bag to keep your essentials organized while traveling without messing up your stuffs. Crafted from skin-imitated artificial leather and lightweight polyester with a classic vintage style, this urban metropolitan lifestyle duffel bag exudes fine craftsmanship. Number 4. Nemo Double Hull Convertible Duffel Bag. Nemo's double hull convertible duffel bag boasts a unique design and construction that allows it to be used as either a duffel or tote, offering ultimate versatility. Crafted with a urethane-coated, Bluesign-approved 420 recycled nylon shell, this durable and water-repellent bag is easy to wipe down and maintain. Its stiffened trusses keep the bag open wide during the packing process, ensuring convenience. With both carrying handles and unobtrusive padded backpack straps, you can grab and go however you prefer, while internal and external zippered mesh pockets aid in organization and keep small items easily accessible, combining functionality and sustainability. The Nemo Double Hull Convertible Duffel Bag is a versatile and eco-friendly travel companion. Number 5. Leather Travel Duffel Bags. Crafted with the finest quality full-grain buffalo hide leather and beautifully handcrafted by traditionally skilled artisans from India. This oil-waxed leather travel duffel bag exudes luxurious craftsmanship. Its dimensions make it perfect for air cabin travel. The product features a front-side zipper pocket, an inside zipper pocket, and small pockets for mobile, credit cards, and pins for organized storage. This luggage bag boasts an adjustable and detachable leather shoulder, strapped with double hand carry option and a leather tag, providing versatile carrying options. Combining functionality, style, and premium materials, this leather travel duffel bag makes for the perfect gift for your loved one. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.